Most people think you need skills, money, or experience to make money online. But right now, complete beginners are earning online using methods that didn't even exist a few years ago. And the reason they're winning is because they're playing a different game. Not harder, just smarter. Let me show you exactly how beginners are making money online today and how you can do the same. First, understand this shift. Before, making money online meant building a website, running ads, or learning complicated systems. Now it's about leverage. Beginners today are using tools, platforms, and existing demand to shortcut the process. They're not building everything from scratch. They're plugging into what already works. So here are the three main ways beginners are doing it right now. The first is content flipping. This is where you take existing ideas that are already working and recreate them in your own way. For example, someone sees a viral video about making money online. They don't copy it, but they take the core idea, rewrite it, change the angle, and post their own version using AI voice and stock footage. No face, no experience needed. And because the idea is already proven, it has a higher chance of working. That's how beginners are getting views fast. The second way is simple service stacking. Instead of mastering one high-level skill, beginners are combining basic skills to create value. For example, they use AI to write captions, basic editing apps to cut videos, and simple tools to design thumbnails. Individually, these are beginner level, but combined, they become a service, and people are willing to pay for that. So instead of asking, "What skill should I learn?" ask, "What simple things can I combine to help someone?" That's where the money is. The third way is digital shortcuts. Beginners are selling simple things that solve small problems. Not big courses, not complicated products, simple stuff like templates, checklists, short guides, things that save time. And the key here is speed. They don't spend months creating, they create fast, launch fast, and improve as they go. Now here's what makes all of this work. It's not the method, it's the execution, because most people still overthink everything. They wait for the perfect plan, the perfect idea, the perfect timing. Meanwhile, beginners who are actually making money, they just start, they test ideas quickly, they learn from what works, and they move on from what doesn't. So if you want to follow this, here's a simple way to begin. Step 1, observe. Spend a couple of hours looking at content in your niche. Find what's getting views, what's being repeated, what's clearly working. You're not guessing, you're studying. Step 2, repurpose. Take one idea and recreate it in your own way. Change the hook, change the structure, make it yours. Done is better than perfect. Step 3, distribute. Don't just post once. Post your content across multiple platforms, YouTube Shorts, TikTok, Instagram. More exposure means more chances to win. Step 4, offer something. Once you start getting attention, give people a way to take the next step. It could be a service, a simple product, or even just a recommendation. This is how attention turns into income. Now let's be real, not every attempt will work. Some videos will flop, some ideas won't hit. That's part of the process, but the people who succeed are the ones who keep going, because eventually something works, and once it does, you double down. So if you've been waiting for the right time to start making money online, this is it. You don't need to know everything. You don't need to be perfect. You just need to start. Try one idea, learn from it, improve. That's how beginners are doing it today, and that's how you can too. If you want more real, simple strategies like this, subscribe to Stark Method and comment START. Let's build this from zero.